What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here, and today one of my good friends, Kevin Graehl, is going to come over and we're going to make a little skateboarding video. The video we're going to make today is around these new wheels for electric skateboards called CloudWheels. I just wanted to do a little intro, but I'm going to jump behind the camera now. We'll do an install of the wheels, talk about them a little bit, and then we'll go out on a little ride and get some ride footage. Subscribe and let's ride. So what are we doing, Kevin?
Today we are switching out the good old ABEC 107s, tried and true. No one really has any complaints about these other than they are a little bumpy, but good over city streets. CloudWheels, trying the 107s with a new core. So overall the diameter isn't going to change too much, but the difference is we'll see on the handicap bumps, cracks, and overall just vibrations.
Let's swap them out. So what does it come with? It comes with 4 wheels.
Yeah, you get 8 ABEC bearings, 4 spacers, 4 wheels.
Easy.
My oh my. My oh my. My oh my.
Does it fit?
I mean, I had some of the smaller CloudWheels and it took a hammer. Regular bearings fit right in their cores. So I see an issue here already. Similar. So I expected this. This is my bearing driver. It's nothing more than a socket and a guide for it.
Fancy.
Yeah, it works.
Spins.
Let's press this in. Nope. Hammer it is. Really don't like hammering bearings. When you hammer bearings, never hammer from the inside of the race. You hammer from the outside of the race. You get the body of the bearing, which you could call the race. You have the seal, which you can pop off with like a dentist toothpick if you ever want to clean out gunk. You have your inner race, and then the ball bearings are behind here, all 26 or whatever there are.
Cool. No idea how they work, I just know they spin.
Yep, they sure do. That's why if you're not running spacers tight, just an hour on the clock. So supposedly some ABEC core pulleys don't work. These slide right in, they're beautiful.
Sweet. Pretty easy.
Pretty easy, yeah.
That's it? We're gonna ride?
I think we're good. So tools needed. I use 11/16, whatever driver that's gonna fit the same OD, not the inner dimension of your bearing. Don't slam the inside. Hammer.
And a crotch of steel. Sweet. So you've ridden these things before. What's the difference in ride quality between like these and
So the number one win with these are the handicap bumps on every sidewalk in the United States, at least. I know they're everywhere else. The fiberglass little half dots. These somehow effortlessly glide over them. Your standard ABECs and the torque boards 110s were pretty much identical to these. Torque board 110s are 3 millimeters bigger, just a hell of a lot softer. The issue with these, they still float over those. You can still hit bumps mid-corner when you're going in heavy, and it'll rebound and kind of just hop over and get a little squirrely. CloudWheels have the tendency to absorb those bumps, and they have the ability to go off-road. Now I'm not talking like off-road motocross. I'm talking about like you want to go on a dirt path, like a hiking path with your girlfriend or something, cut across some grass. Way better than these. And so like you got to kind of view these as all-terrain wheels that happen to work on streets really well, and they happen to wear exceptionally well.
And so they have this kind of curved wheel. I imagine carving and turning is a bit different on them, potentially?
Yeah, so I mean that's the idea. I've tested out some curved wheels where it's extreme, 100 millimeters down to about 70, and yeah, you can carve significantly better. And then your contact patch at the carving is consistent as you turn.
Sweet. Sounds good. Let's get on a ride.
All right.